Anas is a grade 9 student from Faisalabad. While he was 6 months old, he discovered that he was suffering from thalassemia, a hereditary disease caused by faulty synthesis of hemoglobin. Since then, Anas has been fighting for life. He needs about 5 bottles of blood every 2.5 months. Anas says he wants to be a doctor. He says he's also a computer genius.
मैंने मूवी मेकर में भी काम किया हुआ है, गेम मेकर में भी किया हुआ है और फ्रंट पेज में वेब डेवलपिंग भी की हुई है, मेरी खुद की वेबसाइट्स हैं.
Anas is from a relatively well-off family, but there are hundreds of poor thalassemia patients who find it difficult to get blood. The Islamabad police recently decided to take an initiative to help such people. A blood collection center was set up at its traffic police office. Senior police officers, including Islamabad's top cop, Kaleem Imam, participated in the event.
हमने एक प्रोग्राम अरेंज किया है जिसके तहत हम लोग जो हैं इस्लामाबाद पुलिस की जो 11,000 नफरी है और उन्होंने बहुत बड़ा स्टेप लिया यूनानिमसली. उन्होंने कहा कि हम अपना ब्लड डोनेट करेंगे और ब्लड डोनेट करेंगे उन बच्चों के लिए, उन बीमार लोगों के लिए जो कि बेचारे मुख्तलिफ बीमारियों में मुब्तला हैं.
Thalassemia patients need blood on a regular basis. The police in Islamabad have collected blood for at least a few hundred of them. After every 15 days, over 100 police personnel will donate blood at this collection center. This blood will then go to the deserving patients like Anas all across the country. Umar Dras, Dawn News, Islamabad.